Want to know how to message in a group or see your group messages that you had joined or created in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. Just simply head towards identify.plantnet.org and you should be provided with this interface right here. Now, make sure you are logged in as well. And on the top left side right here, you should be seeing Explore. Just simply hover on it. Now, once you hover on it, just simply head towards Groups right here. Once you have selected Groups, you can just simply scroll down until you see My Groups. That will be right beside Create a Group. Just simply select it. And once you're under Groups right here, you should be seeing two groups, the one that you had created and the one that you had joined. So you can just select any one of these two. And right here on top, you should be seeing various options, and right here you should be seeing messages. So you can just simply select messages right here, and on the right side a small pop-ups will appear, and here you should be seeing all the messages if that are available and if it's chatted through members. And that's it. So simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.